Okay, we got Fiona going onto a Velcro wall. There she is.
Go for it. Jump it.
Jump, Fiona, jump! Bounce, bounce, jump!
Yeah!
Yeah, Fiona! Woo! How's that, Fiona? Do it again!
Try to jump backwards.
Pull! You can get out, can you?
Can you fix the thing for my hair?
Oh. Oh, it's starting to stick to some of the stuff here. Hold that for a second.
Throw her. Throw her to the top. Let's do this. Oh, come on, you gotta help. Try to stand a little. There she goes. One, jump, come on, woo! Oh, yeah!
Look at you!
You're stuck, yo!
Try to wiggle out. Try to wiggle out. Woo!
Yeah, there you go, there you go! That's awesome. Sweet.